there's definitely some leaning trees here that I'll have to summon my inner Paul from Gelling Outdoors and think what he would do in a situation like this. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So as you can see today, we're going to be using the BX23S with the backhoe. We've got a bit of a slope here. On the other side of this sort of ridge, there's a small stream that flows through here. We're going to be placing this culvert in that stream. For obvious reasons, right now being fall, the stream's not really running too high. So we're going to put the culvert in there and leave it till springtime and make sure we're not obstructing any of the flow when spring comes around. And then we'll continue to put a little bit more fill in here, and it's very short to connect to that road. And then once we're on that road, we've got quite a ways that we can get to with the quad and maybe a trailer or something like that. So. Okay, so looks like we've got ourselves a bit of a trail here. So here's where the tractor was, or is. Here's sort of that berm here. And it's just a very tiny little creek here running through here. We're gonna stick that culvert right in here so that we can cross this section here. Put a bit of dirt over it. So now we've crossed the moat. You can see I'd already tagged these. You can see a orange ribbon on this tree here and another one right here. We tagged this in the fall when there was no foliage coming up. So this is a bit of a drop off here. We'll have to build this up a bit, but as soon as you get up onto here, there, we're basically on the road now. But if you're continuing all the way up to there, you'll end up on a switchback, and that'll take you up. I'll show you that though, once we get this cleared, once I punch through here. That is a leaner, eh? Wow, there's definitely some leaning trees here that I'll have to summon my inner Paul from Gelling Outdoors and think what he would do in a situation like this. Just want to clean away a straight section here. So the pipe can sit straight and low. You can see it's not a raging river, that's for sure. Just a bit of a creek here. Like I said, we'll put that culvert in right here, build a little ramp here, and it's flowing much more in the springtime for sure. So the culvert will definitely help. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So that'll conclude today's video of building our trail. We got the culvert installed, the water's flowing through it. We've got a fair amount of dirt, maybe 10 loads of dirt, I guess, across here right now. So this is a good base. We have to continue on up. So we need to keep going up through there and then a little bit to the right. So this is quite high here. We still need to build this up some. I'm pretty sure a quad could get through here, but not so much the tractor. It doesn't like uneven ground. I want to encourage everyone to subscribe to the channel. Then you get updated on when we put new videos out, and you'll see the next videos on this trail that we're going to do. Like I said, I'm going to continue to push through here. Maybe we'll do some quad tests and see if we can get through here with the quad and up over to the bluffs and give you guys a shot of the view from a little ways up the mountain. But I appreciate you hanging out with me for a bit today. So yes, please subscribe to the channel. If you like the videos, share them with a family member or friend, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.